Bakit naman yun? Bakit naman yan? I'm waiting for the comment. Please go to my comment section, guys. Comment, and subscribe also. Penhaman Thompson, you can comment there. Comment, everybody. Hello to my 58 viewers. Hi. Thank you for still there till the end on my life. I can't open. Why should I open you? If you want to get open to see, you can go to my Patreon account. I have there I put there on my profile there. My link on my profile. My link on my Patreon. I mean, hello to my 44. Hello to Rama nasa Renga Rao Colorado. Hi to Chibugang. Hello. Shout out. Hey Anna Samako, hi. Hi Michael Sir. I'm just enjoying the view. Oh, really? I hope you always watch to my live. Do my live, Benjamin Thompson. Kung lang sa baba. Ha? Kung lang sa baba. Kung na lang sa baba. Let me look honest. Chico Sexy set hello sexy set hello. Char. Oh my god. Muhammad Fadel. Comment. Should I cut my hair, Benjamin? I enjoyed your late. Should I cut my hair? How do I look like with a short hair? Watch. Ito yung sexy mom, yes. Kasi ng konti lang. Pumunta ka doon sa Patreon ko. Meron kong masilit na. Look. You're beautiful. The type of man I love. Oh my god. Is that true? Hello, Kalan Gamer. Hi. Happened to one making trip. What's that? Are you serious? I'm from Philippines. Benny Saputra from Philippines. I am from Philippines. You can move to Philippines to meet me here. Okay? No, don't cut if you look amazing with long. Don't cut. Oh, okay. I just asked to my viewers if cutting my hair is good. It look amazing. Thank you. If I were in India, I'll marry you and give you a car. If you are in Philippines, I am in Philippines. You can give me gift, but how? Guapa. Thank you, Izal. Maris Civicos. Hello, mommy. You too. Hello, my dear. How are you? I'm fine, sensible man. You are watching from. Shout out to you. And